In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D typography effect in Canva. First, open a design template in Canva. You can start from a blank canvas or pick a ready-made size that fits where your graphic will live, like a social post or a thumbnail. Having the right canvas up front keeps your layout clean and avoids resizing issues later. With your template open, head to the left sidebar and open the Apps section. This is where Canva houses extra tools that extend what you can do inside your design. In the search field, type Type Studio. Select it to load the tool inside your workspace. Type Studio includes ready-made 3D text presets, which make building a realistic effect fast and consistent. Browse the presets and choose a 3D text style that matches your project's look. Think about your background and brand colors as you preview options. Some presets feel glossy and modern, others look soft and rounded. Pick one that complements your overall design. Next, enter your word or phrase in the text box. Short, punchy words usually look best in 3D, but feel free to test a couple versions. All caps can add impact, while title case can feel more refined. Change the font to suit your vibe. Bold sans serifs tend to show depth really well, while slabs and serifs can add personality. Make sure the letter forms are thick enough to show the 3D edges clearly. Now adjust the color. Choose a base color that contrasts with your background for strong readability. If your background is busy, a solid saturated base color will help your text stand out. Explore warp effects to add motion or style. You can pick a preset warp or customize it. Subtle arcs and bends maintain legibility. Heavier warps look playful but can be harder to read, so dial them in thoughtfully. Update the shade color to fine-tune the 3D illusion. A slightly darker version of your base color often looks cohesive. Cooler or warmer shades can shift the mood. Choose whether you want a shadow. A soft shadow can ground the text. No shadow gives a cleaner, poster-like look. Click Custom to reveal more detailed controls. Adjust the angle and distance to match an imagined light source. Consistent lighting makes the effect feel believable. Drag the on-screen dots or sliders from left to right to refine depth, spread, and softness. Small tweaks go a long way here. You can also change or customize the shade effects, then pick the shade style you like best from the available options. When you're happy, click Add to Design. Your 3D text drops into the canvas, ready to use. And that's your 3D typography effect in Canva, built clearly, quickly, and with full creative control.